Right, you see, that's the box from Sideshow. There you go, Sideshow right there. You guys can see it. And yeah, Batman Modern Age premium format figure. So let's again. Sorry, that's Batman box.
Oh my goodness.
Right there.
So big.
Put there.
I hate that sound. Come on, close your ears. That sound is so nice.
Guys, this is the base.
That's the golden. Golden.
Wow, gargoyle right there.
Gargoyle on there. Is it gargoyle blue?
Gargoyle.
Oh. Gargoyle.
Oh, dandan ako. Be careful, ah.
I didn't look at it.
Oh yeah, just yeah, you can see yeah.
Oh, that looks like a
Bouncing.
dragon.
So maybe later I'm gonna do some.
That looks like a gargoyle
Review.
dragon. That looks like a
But
dragon
for now, we're
gargoyle.
just gonna assemble this one. What, Martin?
It's not like a dragon gargoyle.
Yeah, something like that. Dragon, gargoyle.
That the Batman?
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at the spikes here.
Oh,
So,
be careful, be careful, be careful.
so sharp.
I know, right? Oh,
It's just walking
this is
up.
amazing.
Is it just walking?
Huh?
It's a headless Batman.
Later.
Put it on.
Let me.
It
Fine.
will jump off the building. Batman always glides. I meant to say glide off the building. He would do like this.
Yeah. Can you still see it? Yeah.
Look at the box. If you can see the box here, over here, so big.
This is amazing. Up.
How in the world did it even fit in this? Does it have a cape? What does it?
Oh man, one is huge.
Blue.
Skate is
Ay,
huge,
blue.
man.
Hindi yung black.
Yeah. There's one black of this one. Mari. Careful. Ganda po, Martin.
Naka na
This is a
naman.
statue, anak. This is a
Just
statue.
checking if you can
Okay
hold
nga, no need to touch it.
Parang maniki ay ano?
Can I hold it?
Ceramic?
Statue and stone yan. mahal.
Naku! Kailangan sa lapag yan.
Ha?
Kailangan sa lapag.
Well, pares lang yun ang hook. Just the cake is already stunning. Look at it, Martin. Look
Do
at
that.
that, Martin.
If my head is
Can you guys see it?
off, it can go. So many little foams on the.
The head. Wow, the head.
Let me see the head.
Look
Can
at
I
the
hold
head. Careful. Careful, ah.
it? Batman looks blind.
So it has two heads, guys.
Batman looks blind. The
It
Batman.
has two knee. It has two heads
The
right
Batman-
here.
The Batman really
Yeah.
is looking like a blind man.
Yes. So be careful, anak. Be
This
careful, ah. Be careful.
And this one is chin is darker and his head is like this.
Oh, this is a long horn.
He has two heads and that already.
But it has also
The
two hands. Right hand, yeah.
that right hand has the
Oh, it's a magnet.
chicken.
So everything is like there's a magnet. See?
everything magnet.
Yeah. Watch. See?
This hook also
be
magnet.
careful. Shh.
This hook also magnet.
Anak, kasi this is actually not for a kid. Alam mo ba yun?
Statue kasi
Diba?
siya.
I'm giving you lang a chance to check it, to see it.
My hand can fit on this thing.
Be careful.
Alam mo,
Yeah.
It would be cooler if it's with Robin. Or maybe Joker's head.
You guys can see it.
Would be
So
much
that's
better.
the
It would be much better if.
where.
So it will look like he's stepping on it.
Oh no, maybe, but then maybe it's not part of the story. Stepping on the face of Joker, so maybe just the simple, because Batman is always standing on the building, which has always there's a statue on it, or like this one, a gargoyle. You
The
know,
gargoyles,
yeah.
face looks
You know,
so-
Batman is going everywhere
he
above
glides.
it,
Not flying, glide.
in every
Glides,
buildings.
but not
Yeah, so that's
Oh, there's the other hand. There's the
this
other hand.
hand. Yeah, this is the other hand.
Can I put the hand?
Oh, be careful, be careful. No, you cannot remove it.
You
Don't
need to
remove
remove
that. Yeah. Don't need to remove it. Just put it here. Maybe just display like this one. See?
Yeah.
You.
Oh yeah.
This it looks cool if it can swim because of the
Batman.
modern age.
Yeah. So you can see, guys, it's very, very nice in person. Yeah. So guys, that's the.
What can you say about it, anak?
Oh, shit.
It looks very cool and very big, but it's
Ano?
color blue, but it's not. It's like the one in the cartoon, but not in the real
Yes, it's a
movie.
classic one.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
classic.
So the color is blue.
Yeah, because it's classic and it's on the one in the
Yeah.
cartoon.
Let me check again. Wow, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy. Heavy.
It's heavy. Is it heavier than the Hawk?
I think so. What the shit? Oh, this is nice, Martin. Look. Well, the light is not that clear. Sorry, guys. So that's why we cannot really show you.
Yeah, we haven't
Like,
turned on
no.
the light yet.
Yeah, exactly.
This is a
Let me
weapon,
change
Daddy.
it. Oh.
Daddy, this is a weapon.
Oh, I think this one's better. Small head. Actually, you know the difference between these two heads?
What?
What's this?
The face and the neck.
The horn.
What's the difference
The
about the
horn.
horn?
See?
What?
It's longer. See?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Now you
Why is
know.
it like that?
Now you know the difference.
Why is it like that? And also the neck.
Oh, be careful. Yeah.
Also the neck. And also the chin.
Yeah, a bit. This one is a bit
Also the-
shorter,
Yeah.
and this one is a bit longer.
Maybe they ran out of time to check their list.
No, it's not.
They both have their favorite colors.
Batman.
Favorite colors is in there, and one of my favorite colors is in there. I
Where?
told you, see, black and gray. That's your favorite color, right? Blue
Oh,
is
pick
gray.
up on your hands. Pick up on your hands.
And then this is my favorite color, blue. Batman. Batman.
Ito, diba?
Batman.
Look at that. Stunning.
You look at that.
50. Yes. That's the Batman. Ooh. Shit. Damn.
This looks like a feet.
Anak, how tall do you think that statue is?
What?
How tall do you think that statue is?
1 meter.
1 meter.
1 meter? Sure.
Maybe close
Hindi,
enough
sa
to
feet. Sa feet. 1 foot, 2 feet.
Okay. One.
So guys, that's all for today. Later we're gonna do some little bit review
3
here.
feet. I think it's 3 feet.
3 feet?
Yeah.
Hindi, ano, malaki pa kay Ryu.
I wanna take a picture of it.
Huh?
I wanna take a picture of it.
Think this is the hardest part.
To take away
The hardest part is to
take away
how
the
to keep
boxes.
those
boxes.
boxes. Yes,
I think we
exactly.
need to throw it away already.
I'm not sure yet about throwing it away because that's their box.
And this is kind of broken. And this is kind of broken, Daddy. Look! I gotta save Daddy first.
So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching, and what are you gonna say, Martin?
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and bye!
Bye. Yeah. Look at that reel. Look at